Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 200, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows: the meaning of angel number 200, the spiritual significance. What does it mean for love? What does 200 mean for twin flames? What does it mean for manifestation? How does 200 affect finances? What does it mean for former relationships? How does 200 guide your work life? What are the strengths? What are the weaknesses? And lastly, a summary. Let's now start with the first topic. What's the meaning of angel number 200? Angel number 200 is a message from the divine realm that urges patience, faith, and trust in the unfolding of your spiritual path. It combines the energies of the number 2, symbolizing harmony, cooperation, and balance, with the amplified influence of double zeros, which represent divine potential, beginnings, and universal energy. Seeing this number frequently is a reminder that unseen forces are working behind the scenes to support your soul mission. It invites you to listen closely to your intuition and inner guidance. Angel number 200 often appears when you're being called to deepen your spiritual practices and step into a higher level of awareness. It reminds you that divine timing is at play and that everything will fall into place as it should. The number speaks of partnership, not just with others but also with your higher self and spiritual guide. Trust in the process and remain aligned with your values, as the outcomes you seek are gradually materializing. Whether you're facing challenges or feeling unsure, 200 encourages you to remain centered and maintain your inner peace. It's a gentle but firm signal to remain hopeful and open-hearted, knowing that support from the universe is always available to you. What's the symbolism of angel number 200? Angel number 200 symbolizes balance, harmony, and the importance of partnerships. The number 2 represents cooperation, diplomacy, and relationships, while the double zeros amplify the spiritual aspects, indicating potential and the beginning of a spiritual journey. This combination suggests that you're being guided to maintain equilibrium in your life and to trust in the divine timing of events. The number encourages you to focus on your spiritual growth and to nurture your relationships, both personal and spiritual. It serves as a reminder that you're supported by the universe and that maintaining balance will lead to fulfillment and success. What is the angel number 200 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 200 is a sign of divine support and guidance. It indicates that your angels and ascended masters are with you, offering assistance as you embark on or continue your spiritual journey. This number encourages you to deepen your connection with the divine, trust your intuition, and remain open to spiritual insight. It's a reminder that your spiritual growth is integral to your overall well-being and that the universe is supporting your endeavors. Embracing this number's energy can lead to a heightened sense of purpose and alignment with your soul's mission. What does the angel number 200 mean for love? In matters of love, angel number 200 emphasizes the importance of balance, harmony, and mutual understanding. It encourages open communication and the nurturing of relationships through patience and compassion. For those in a relationship, it suggests that maintaining equilibrium and addressing issues with empathy will strengthen the bond. For singles, it indicates that a harmonious and spiritually aligned partnership may be on the horizon. This number serves as a reminder to trust in the divine timing of love and to remain open to the lessons and growth that relationships bring. What does angel number 200 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, angel number 200 signifies spiritual guidance and support on your journey towards union. It suggests that both you and your twin flame are being guided by the universe to focus on personal and spiritual growth. This number encourages patience and trust. It's a sign that your efforts are aligning, bringing you closer to a harmonious union. The appearance of this number may also indicate that a reunion or significant development in your twin flame relationship is imminent. What does angel number 200 mean for manifestation? Angel number 200 is a potent indicator that your manifestation abilities are heightened. It encourages you to focus your thoughts and intentions on your goals, trusting that the universe is working in your favor. This number reminds you that with determination and a clear vision, you can bring your desires into reality. It's essential to maintain a positive mindset and take actionable steps towards your aspirations, knowing that your efforts will bear fruit. The presence of this number suggests that your manifestations are aligning with your spiritual path and purpose. How does angel number 200 affect finances? In financial matters, angel number 200 suggests that your hard work and dedication will lead to stability and abundance. It encourages you to continue managing your resources wisely and to remain disciplined in your financial decisions. This number is a reminder that building a secure financial foundation requires patience and consistent effort. Trust that your diligence will pay off, leading to long-term prosperity. Additionally, it may indicate that new opportunities for financial growth are on the horizon, and staying aligned with your values will attract positive outcomes. What does angel number 200 mean for former relationships? Regarding former relationships, angel number 200 indicates the importance of closure and learning from past experiences. It encourages you to reflect on previous connections, understand the lessons they offered, and release any lingering negativity. This number suggests that by healing and letting go, you create space for new, healthier relationships to enter your life. It's a call to embrace personal growth and move forward with clarity and purpose. Trust that the universe has a plan for your love life, and that past relationships were stepping stones towards your ultimate happiness. How does angel number 200 guide your work life? In your professional life, angel number 200 emphasizes the value of hard work, discipline, and building a solid foundation for your career. It encourages you to stay focused on your goals, remain patient, and trust in the process. This number is a reminder that success doesn't come overnight but through consistent effort and dedication. By aligning your work with your values and maintaining integrity, you'll achieve lasting fulfillment and recognition. Additionally, it may signal that collaborative efforts and partnerships will play a significant role in your career advancement. What are the strengths of angel number 200? The strengths associated with angel number 200 include resilience, determination, and a strong sense of purpose. Individuals influenced by this number are often disciplined, reliable, and committed to their goals. They possess the ability to build stable foundations in various aspects of life, ensuring long-term success. Additionally, their spiritual awareness allows them to navigate challenges with grace and seek guidance when needed. Their capacity for cooperation and balance makes them effective in both personal and professional relationships, fostering environments of harmony and mutual respect. What are the weaknesses of angel number 200? Potential weaknesses linked to angel number 200 include rigidity, resistance to change, and an overemphasis on practicality. Individuals may become so focused on structure and stability that they neglect spontaneity or emotional expression. It's essential for those influenced by this number to remain open to new experiences and to balance their disciplined nature with flexibility and empathy. Recognizing these tendencies allows for personal growth and the development of a more holistic approach to life's challenges and opportunities. Angel number 200 is a powerful and spiritually significant number that combines the energies of cooperation, divine guidance, and new beginnings. At its core, it's a reminder from your angels and the universe that you are being supported, even if you cannot yet see the results of your efforts. The number 2 resonates with diplomacy, duality, relationships, faith, and service to others. It highlights the importance of harmony in both your personal and spiritual life. It's a call to embrace balance and be more receptive to collaboration and mutual understanding. The two zeros that follow amplify the vibration of the divine. 0 in numerology symbolizes the universal source, wholeness, spiritual growth, and infinite possibilities. It also represents the beginning of a spiritual journey, urging you to focus on your higher purpose. When the number 0 appears twice, it enhances its spiritual impact, suggesting that the presence of divine energies is particularly strong around you at this moment. Altogether, angel number 200 signifies that you're being divinely guided. Your angels are encouraging you to trust in the path you're walking and remain patient as things develop behind the scenes. You may not see immediate changes, but transformation is underway. Stay focused on your spiritual development, strengthen your faith, and maintain a calm mindset. This number often appears when you're at the threshold of a breakthrough or when you're being asked to surrender control and trust divine timing. Ultimately, 200 is a reassurance that everything is unfolding for your highest good, even if progress isn't yet visible.